You might know this feeling. Your design is perfect, the product brief is crystal clear, but then something goes wrong. The handoff process from design to development is frustrating, there's lots of miscommunication, manual recreation, and a lot of wasted time. What if we could turn a simple idea into a fully functional, production-ready app in one seamless flow? What if we could go from a ChatGPT prompt to develop a handoff in minutes and not days? This is where MagicPath comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from a simple idea, refine it with ChatGPT and MagicPath, and then build it with MagicPath. We're then going to see how you can export the code and give to your developers, or take it into Cursor if you want to do it yourself. Let's say you want to create a SaaS analytics dashboard for our marketing team. What we can do, we can take our idea, our basic idea, we can go to ChatGPT and say, I want to create a SaaS analytics dashboard for marketing team, but using MagicPath. Help me to create a more detailed and structured prompt. We can also ask it for more detailed inspiration, so we could say something like, take inspiration from Notion and other top level dashboard apps, and then we can simply click on enter when we're done, and then ChatGPT will help us to create a more detailed and structured prompt. So we've got our detailed prompt here from ChatGPT. We can just simply copy all of this, all the things we need, and we can go back to MagicPath. We can double click to open a new component, and then we can paste our prompt, and then we can even go here and say, help me to further refine this prompt below, and put do not implement. Now the nice thing about this is that this will not consume any of our credits. So when we paste this, it's free, and we can simply just discuss with the MagicPath AI chat until we have something that we want to produce. So click on enter here, and it's going to conversate with us. Absolutely, here's a more refined prompt. And then if we think we like that, we can go ahead and implement this, and we can also choose a design system to make it more aligned with our brand. So for example, you can choose one of these default ones, or you can upload your own by going to manage design systems and clicking on import, and then you can use something like ChatGPT, Claude Code, or Tweak CN as well to help you create a custom theme. So for this demonstration, we're going to choose one of these ones. I'm going to choose the Claude design system. I'm going to say implement this using Claude design system. We select it, and then I'm going to paste that, and then it's going to start creating the design visually in our component, as you can see, with this nice border, and you'll be able to see it visually actually creating the different blocks and elements used to make our dashboard. Now MagicPath has finished building, and we have this really nice looking dashboard. It looks great, and we've styled it as well, so it doesn't look generic like a lot of other AI generated designs. So we've got the useful information, we've got total leads, conversion rate, website traffic, email CTR, campaign ROI. We've got nice graphs here as well, that are visually interactive when you hover over them. And we've got this here. We've also got these page tabs here, but they haven't been built yet. And we've got this in the corner, and a profile icon as well with settings, all of which can be further implemented on. So what we have here is a really good start. What we simply need to do, we can continue building this out and refining the design till it's something that matches exactly what we want. And then we can also export the code to hand off to developers or bring it to Cursor. So what we can do now is that we can actually create different variants to see how it would look like if it was slightly designed a little bit differently. So what we can do, we can click on create variant, and we can just click on auto variants for this and just see what the AI imagines and comes up with. And this will be useful to compare different designs. Maybe you don't want to have just one design, maybe you want to have a few, you can see which was the best, or maybe you can combine some elements in the designs you like the most and then create a final version which you can then implement. So as you can see, MagicPath is creating 3 different variants, all of which will look slightly different from this, but mostly be the same. Yeah, let's just see what it comes up with. Building each of the variants, and this one is finished. And this one looks quite similar to this one. Only difference is that the campaigns part at the bottom is slightly different. As you can see, it's a little bit more narrower and more concise. Let's say you wanted to change this section and wanted to change it from a bar chart to a pie chart. You can simply come in here, click on this div and say change this bar chart view to a pie chart. Click on enter or generate, and then it will change that individual section in this new component. And this top variant is finished now, and again the campaign section looks different. We've got them into little cards with the little blocks inside each card, which probably looks better visually and more easier to visually scan and organize compared to this one. But again, it's all personal preference. Maybe you like this one more, you could choose this one to export to code and give to your developer, or if you like this one more, you can obviously choose this one. And variant 3 is also finished, and this campaign analytics part looks different again. It's got different graphs, got a little figure there, and a little line showing different audiences and different metrics here as well. When you introduce here, this thing is kind of overlapping each other, so the text is overlapping, so you might want to change that as well. Let's see, this one's finished, and as you can see, the bar chart has been changed to a pie chart here, but it's missing some of the metrics. But when you hover over them, you can see the different numbers and values. Let's say then, out of all the ones we prefer this one, the one with the cards and the little blocks. To export to code or view the code, you simply press this button here, and then you can download the individual files, or you can download the whole code base by pressing this button. And you can also click open in Cursor, and then you can copy this and then paste this command in your terminal to actually get started into bringing it into Cursor. Another way to bring into Cursor, you can also download the whole code base, and then you can open Cursor and then select this folder to open, and then continue from there. So I've shown you how you can go quickly from an idea that you have in your head, plan and enhance the prompt using ChatGPT, further refine it using MagicPath's AI chat, and then build it and build the components using MagicPath as well. Also showing you how you can edit individual blocks or items inside your component, you can create variants as well, and then finally you can take the code, you can view the code, you can download it, open it in your favorite IDE, or use an opening cursor command to open it in Cursor. And you can also once again hand it off to developers, and it's made in code, so there's no need to mess around with different layouts or recreating the design. It's all in code, so it'll be a lot easier for the developer to actually build and iterate on top of your designs. If you have any issues or questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Also let me know if you have any future video requests for MagicPath. Let me know in the comment section down below. And once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.